In my years working as a fraud prevention analyst in the banking sector, I saw thousands of people lose their savings because of one single mistake: reusing passwords. Most of them thought they were safe because they used strong passwords, but the reality is much darker. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I set up my personal vault to be virtually unhackable. No fluff, just the professional protocol I use myself. Let's lock your vault. Stop saving your passwords in your browser. If a hacker gains access to your device or your Google account, they have the keys to everything. This is why professionals use dedicated, open source vaults. Bitwarden is my choice because of its zero-knowledge encryption. In simple terms, not even the company can see your data. Only you have the key. First, the master password. Don't use words, use a sentence or a passphrase. It's harder for computers to crack but easier for you to remember. Second, 2FA. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled, your vault is only half locked. I recommend using an authenticator app, never just SMS. In document analysis, organization is everything. I organize my vault into security tiers. Financial accounts get the highest security, with unique 2FA codes stored separately. This structure ensures that even if one service is breached, your entire digital life doesn't collapse like a house of cards. Security isn't a product, it's a habit. If you want to start building your vault today, I've left the link I use in the description. It's free to start, and it's the single best investment you can make for your digital safety. If you have questions about setting this up, drop them in the comments. This is the Security Vault Z4. Subscribe for more. Keep your data safe.